Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In our schooling only we have learnt the formulae such as circumference of circle, area of the circle and the basic theorems like Pythagoras and all those. But still we never think why or how the formulae are. We learn to learn only. Okay, so from today I am going to start a series of videos to find the answers of all such questions. Find the answer of how, okay, or why. So under this series, today I am going to explain how or why the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, here I will explain this in two ways. First we will see the analytical proof and then we will see the geometrical proof. Some of you may know the geometrical proof. Still, I will explain here. Okay, so let us start. So for this, we will have 2-3 circles. Suppose this is a circle. Suppose this is another circle. And if we consider one more, okay, these are the 3 circles of 3 different radii. Okay, so if I put a point of string or thread here and if I try to cover the circumference of this circle, I will get a segment. Okay, so I will measure that segment and if I draw here a segment of same length and then I will put a string along the diameter of this circle. And I will again measure that segment and if I draw here the circle, if I draw here the segment, okay, similarly I will do here a circumference and diameter and in this case also the circumference and diameter. Okay, so if we find the ratio of this circumference and this diameter, means if I consider this as C1, C2 and this is C3, if I consider the circumference of this circle first is also C1, then the ratio of C1 to, suppose diameter is D1, here the diameter is D2 and here the diameter is D3. Okay, so the ratio of circumference to the diameter for first circle will be approximately equal to 3.14. Okay, if we find the ratio of these two segments, that is the circumference of second circle to the diameter of second circle, it would be also 3.40. Of course, it would be approximate. Okay, if we do here, then also same. Now, if we observe, then the ratio of circumference to diameter comes a constant. Okay, so we could denote this constant as K or C or any alphabet. But why the pi only? Because the Wells mathematician first abbreviated this as pi, because in Greek language, okay, whatever the word for circumference starts with their 16th alphabet of Greek language. Of course, we don't know the remaining alphabets, but first alphabet is pi, which is synonym of circumference. Okay, so this constant we denote by pi. Hence, this constant we denote by pi. Pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter. You search this in Google and you will find that. Okay. So in this way, if we generalize this, then what happens? Circumference to diameter is nothing but pi. That is, circumference is pi d. And we know that d is 2r, twice of radius. So c equals to 2 pi r. In this way, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, this is analytical proof. Now we will see the geometrical proof. For this also we will draw a circle. Okay. Suppose this is a circle of center O. Okay. So we will take 2 points A and B on circumference. This OA and OB nothing but radius of the circle. Okay. Now we know one formula. Angle. So this angle, okay, angle means this angle, that is if we denote by theta in radian only, we write. So angle equals to arc upon radius. Okay. So in this case, angle is theta radian, arc is AB and radius is R. Now for whole circle, if we consider, okay, now we know that circle has total 360 degree angle all the way around its center. Okay, so 360 degree. So for circle we will write here, for circle the angle is 360 degree, it means 2 pi radian, and arc is nothing but total circumference of circle. Okay, now if we put here, and radius is radius, so angle is 2 pi radian equals to AB is nothing but arc. Now for whole circle, arc we have considered as circumference, that is, and radius is R. In this way, circumference is nothing but 2 pi R. Understood? Okay, how interesting and very surprising also. Okay, in this way, today we have seen the circumference of circle. In next video, we will see how or why the area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, thank you.